released from below is to act from her slumber. Return to the realm once more. Wars back to life. Uh-oh. At least we hope.
It appears to be stuck.
Open sesame! Well, shit!
There's a battery right here. Just hook the battery up. On clearance so we don't drag the, yeah.
All right, am I driving?
Yeah, you get in there. Okay.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay,
Jules, get that door shut.
I'm in.
Okay. Coming back, coming back. Woo, baby. Okay, hold up.
Say, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
There, can I get a little bit of a shove forward to get this, to get mine out of here? That way. Yeah.
You don't do shit. You say, hi, don't touch the car. I swear to God, if you touch the car, I'm gonna put my fucking hand on.
I'm clear. But I also lost my block.
That's fine.
Stop, you bitch! Don't try this at home, kids. That was really fucking stupid.
Yeah, it was.
Uh-uh.
All right.
Do not do. It's on the ground now. Now we can manipulate it to where it needs to go. Well, it hasn't broken in half yet, although I can see the doors rocking. She's a little flexy. It's really not that bad. Yeah, why's it got a limited slip diff? Why's it got that? Why's it got booster coil springs on the rear diff, kids?
Well, what is that for? What does that do?
It's for drifting! Yeah, so what I see!
We're gonna do this way so that you can just sit there and directly to your starter signal. And what should happen when I do that is you go.
But tonight, we shall hurl the gauntlet of science into the frightful face of death itself.
She's
Okay.
thin. I feel like I hear compression.
I'm trying to get a finger in there to find out.
That's what she said.
Why do I need to split?
Yeah. At least one hole's got something on it.
I need 2 men on this. That's what she said.
I'm seeing a little bit of smoke coming from some places, but I doubt in every sense of the word that this thing will throw a spark. There's no way those points are going to be any good. This is distributor wire, so that makes you ignition hot.
Oh.
A bunch of shit just kicked on because I just made the ignition hot. See if it shifts.
Oh, there's fucking lights on in here.
Yeah, see if it shifts. No.
There's
Well,
lights.
but other stuff's on.
There's lights on in the dash.
I doubt in every sense of the word that this thing will throw a spark. There's no way those points are going to be any good.
Old.
It makes spark.
Oh shit.
Did you see it?
I did, I got it.
So we are setting up the firing order in a set of spark plugs shy of hearing it fire.
Oh, cylinders are numbered from front to rear. Right bank. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left bank. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yep. Okay, so what's on the manifold is correct. Great.
Install the wires in a counterclockwise direction in the firing order 1, 5, 4, 2, 6, 3, 7, 8. Is that the same numbering?
Yep, that's what I got up here. That matches.
Awesome. That's number wang then.
That's number one. We like those decimals.
Okay, there's some starter schmoo. Everybody back up and probably watch your ears. Fire in a hole.
Whoa!
Cool.
Fire! 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 Fire!
Nah, it's fine.
Oh.
It'll go out in a minute. And now it pissed off starter again. Well, a little heat never killed anyone.
False.
Oh, come on.
Try the hazards or blinkers again.
Oh, hazards. They both work.
We just got lights. And it just cranked, and it just made enough spark to shoot fire out of it. It's not dead.
That's bizarre. I can't wait to see where this is going.
We have enough ways forward with this thing. Between factory, we didn't even have to sand the points. The factory ignition system works.
That's bizarre.
We need to pull the valve covers, buddy. We're gonna have to apologize to Buddy. He was right. We're gonna have to pull the valve covers. I bet you we're gonna find a bunch of stuck valves. We're gonna need to do a little tap. We're gonna need to play a little whack-a-mole, but I bet you we can get them to all come back up. And I bet you once we do that, I bet you this thing fires. And now that we've managed to figure out how to get power into the body, we just saw lights come on and
Well,
like
there's our
turn
day-
signals blink.
There's that day on Saturday.
So Saturday it is.
So welcome back to Truant again. We're back after last night where we did a bunch of stuff to the Edsel, and we're here to fight with it some more. Kim, what did we do?
Set it on fire?
We did so. We set the intake on fire last night.
Slightly. I think there's some valves that are stuck, and I think we need to play whack-a-mole under here. We got to get the valve covers off. Also, we determined that there is the starter solenoid in this thing is the problem. We've been whacking on the poor starter, going contacts. No, it's this. Fix it.
We're gonna replace that. We also fiddled with the ignition, and we were able to get some power in there. We got some of these lights to turn on. I've scrubbed the floors a little bit more just because they were filled with poop. They are now filled with less poop.
People order our patties.
Ah! Poop!
No. Oh, the poop.
And
the poopening.
there's more de-poopening to happen.
The poopening has been.
This thing is less of a poopmobile than it was yesterday, and it's going to be less of a poopmobile tomorrow than it is today. So that's also part of the plan. Mainly, we're going to take the valve covers off today and see what we got, and chase some stuck valves and see what we get.
Pretty sure this starter solenoid has solenoided its last. That being said, there's the good news is they still make them the same way.
Corporate needs you to find the differences between this picture and this picture. They're the same picture.
You have a half-inch somewhere?
13, we've got a 13.
I have 13, yeah.
Off camera.
Oh, oh, and in their sneakiness, they have made it a different size. Can I get 7/16?
You've got mail.
Oh, they made it metric. I need a 12. They made it metric. Oh, of course they made it metric, because everything becomes metric eventually. All right. So, can grab your fucking lations. Where's the Lone Wolf 9000? Here we go.
Well, we also need to pull the valve covers off.
Power. Well, first let's confirm that that actually fixed.
Oh, yeah.
What we think it actually fixed. Do.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Two hours later.
Isn't that too much?
One more round.
Are you sure?
Hey pal, you just blowing from Stupid Town?
Oh!
Think, Mark, think!
Roxy has entered the job. It's gonna cut to like
3 hours later.
Tell you what, at least it's not poop.
it is not poop, and that is something.
That's an improvement from my day yesterday, which was all poop.
You see, this is much like the brush that I used to use in the archaeological dig sites that I went to with my grandpa when we discovered things for the first time. The country of list all the countries. Has unsubscribed.
Are we the baddies?
Yep.
Yep.
What are you going to discover this time?
Oh, look, natives.
Stop it. Get some help.
Well, yesterday we were able to crank the motor a bunch. We got to look at the valves. We saw that they're doing their little, the lifters and the valves are doing their little spin, so that's good news. We weren't able to get any oil pressure due to low cranking speed. Turns out the distributor is smoked, which is not great. So we're gonna fire the parts cannon and see where we end up. So let us know what you think. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what's going on with this thing. If you think it's dead, tell us it's dead. If you think it's gonna come back, tell us it's gonna come back. We're gonna find out next time on Prunigan.